Hello my people, welcome to another session with Japagist with IBK. Welcome to the Japa channel. Say after me, say Japa channel. Say Japa, it is Japa upon Japa. So this is where we bring you Ogbonge news about Japa, how to move, how to settle down whenever you find yourself that is no longer your local country where you come from. You are migrating into a new environment, into a new country, into a new city. So welcome to Japagist with IBK. So today I'm going to be discussing about, have you been called out in diaspora? Especially as in this video is for people already living in diaspora. Have you been called out by your fellow friends or by your community or by anybody in diaspora? And when I mean called out, meaning that okay, you're in a circle of friends and you should first ask yourself that what kind of friends am I making in diaspora? This is where you hear people say, as a married woman, a married man, that's what most men say, as a married man, I would not want my wife in diaspora to mingle with divorcees. You don't hear that statement before. You don't hear it. That's what most married men say. I would not want my wife to have friends that are divorcee. And some of the women too will say, I would not want my husband to make friends with non-locals. You don't hear that statement before. One reason or the other, either way it happens, you will be called out for something. Okay, in your own local friends, as in female to female friends, okay, you as a female, what have you been called out for? Especially when you can't date that group where we say that they call them aproko tori people. What do I call them? Tori people. Have you find yourself in that situation? Do you know why most of us do not really have friends that will come from same place? They'll tell you, number one, peer pressure. Number two, everybody is a big man. Everybody they raise soldier, what do they call them again? Shoulder. Everybody they raise shoulder for everybody. Everybody is forming big boy and big girl. Nobody won't listen or hear or say thank you ma or thank you sir to each other. That is competition. You find out that people compete within themselves. So you will just enter diaspora. Whatever way you like them, you go get them. For here, when you want competition, who wear designer and who no wear designer, you will see them. Who they drive latest car and who no drive latest car. Now for here you go see them. You go see them as you like them. But anyway, I'm not going into that now. What I'm going into is dragging. Have you been dragged for something when you enter diaspora by your fellow people? Narco story. If you've been dragged by someone or you've been called out, whether truly you do the thing or whether truly you not do the thing or, but they shall call you out, you just shall find yourself in a circle that they call out people, or that they say the content is say, oh yeah, if Oma do this, or yeah, Melanie just jump fence now, yeah, tutu lock door against your husband for outside. Have you been in such circle of friends? Because I tell you, as busy as most people are in the diaspora, so also as business, if there's any word like that, as busyless as some people to call you out or to come meet you and tell you, say you yes say then say, and yes say then say, this one do this one do that. So my dear, if you have been called out, please drop how you were called out. Just give me like a statement that says, oh, I've been called out for this and that and that and that. Just give me, because for here, for the diaspora, it common where we, especially you will be saying natataphobia symbol or natataphobia national item. My dear, imagine that was her tori was on her own, and she just got a call and they say, tori you say then say my husband na police officer. I say, hey, wetin happen? I know say your husband na CNA, talk less of police officer. My dear, na so life be for here. So you will be say you know one circle of them say, or people will be say they enjoy the circle of them say no worry, you get partners for here, they're full ground, as in they're full ground. So the earlier you know where you they go and cut them off, the better for you. Or if you be that person where they love them, say where you really enjoy and where be say you go just the year and you self go to put fire, no worry, diaspora na for you too. If you that person where be say especially if the person where be say you and they knack the story, or where una two they tell each other can't be your next door neighbor, or can't be your friend where be say una they crash for each other house, or more that apricot they sweet you know get wetin Musa I go see for this ghetto. Musa I they see plenty things for gate for diaspora. Now me they tell you. Yes, it gets some personalities for the diaspora where be say if you find the latest news in that environment, just go meet that sister or just go meet that guy. They're gonna knock you from beginning to the end. You said you go shock, say bros, you no go work, or baby, you no go work. How you say yes, say you go shy here, your ear go full. But let me warn you, as you are hearing, as they are telling you, don't forget that your own story too. They don't go knock somebody too for outside. Now me they tell you, they don't go knock your own story too for outside. So as you dey hear, be careful, because you cannot say you are in a midst or in a circle of friends that are saying them say and them say who say, and you can't say no, I'm not among them, but you are just like a cool listener. It's not possible for you to just be a listener, because your own gist too, they don't go talk and say, just give it a matter of months or days, your own gist too will come outside. They'll come call you, come to say, you thought say my husband na CNA, you thought say my this jump fence, you thought say my cat they laugh ha 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 ha, you say my dog say he poo, as you go just hear different things. So I just want you where they carry your bag come the diaspora, those things where you they hear say or those things where you they hear say somebody to say when my wife comes here, when my wife enter the diaspora, she not go make friends with divorcee. Now because of waiting their eye don't see. Let make me the knock you waiting Musa see forget so. Let make me they tell you ahead of time so that it will when the thing start to happen, you know, can feel like say you were not here, or you were not told, or you were not aware. You're not aware. Let me warn you too. You that likes to eat food, as in you like eating. When you come diaspora, you know say most of the time you come like this. When you enter diaspora, you can't double, you can't turn to like this. You understand that kind of thing? Let me tell you. Why? Because the food are very fattening. The food has more of carbs. So you will be say you know sabi control yourself. Okay, now you the first put for this. Then say when you come, you were one ruler. And after some time, you will become a plywood, my dear. Be warned. And be warned about what goes into your mouth. Yep. Be warned about what goes into your mouth, because as you are taking it in, please make sure that you are exercising enough to burn the calories, because some enjoyment no be enjoyment. Some enjoyment is like eating poison into your body. Natural, they tell you so. So you need to be warned. Living healthy, you have to you need to get great circle of friends. You need to live healthy, as in you need to live healthy, and not eating healthy, having friends that are healthy, that will help your mental thinking is very important. If you get those friends where be say Musa jump or whatever, please cut them off. So welcome to Japagist with IBK. So now so I'll knock you. Please like and subscribe, or share to your friends, so tell them say now here would they get the Ogmunge story. This is IBK eyeshadow. We have also the glitters IBK eyeshadow. This is worldwide shipping. So make your orders, order worldwide shipping. Thank you everybody. And if you want any topic make I talk about, I beg please write down for the comment section, say Japagist talk about this topic, or I won't really know about this particular area, so I will definitely let you know. So for now, please like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching Japagist with IBK. Hi guys, is my makeup not looking cool? I'm using IBK Cosmetics lipstick, lip gloss, lip liner, eyeliner, all from IBK Cosmetics. So worldwide shipping. These are the product. This is the product. It's so cute, so cute. Yay, this is it. It comes with glitters. As in if you want to put some shiny on your face, it comes with the shiny. So when you have a makeup artist that wants to decorate your face, tell them to use IBK eyelash. It comes with glitters. These glitters, they just stick it around your face and you just look take away, you look hot for the party. So you could just put your glitters, you could put it around your eyes area. So this is IBK, it's only on IBK's eyelash. You could get glitters, you could get glitters for your eyes, you could put it. So there's a way they stick it, so they'll just stick your glitters for you, and man, you look take away.